to make chocolate cake. Let's see. Ingredients of chocolate cake: 250 grams all-purpose flour, 250 grams of powdered sugar, 4 beaten egg, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup butter. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Mix all the dry ingredients and preheat the oven. To prepare this easy chocolate cake recipe, preheat the oven to 180 C. Meanwhile, grease and line a 7-inch round cake tin with baking paper and butter. Now, sieve together the flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. Keep the dry ingredients aside. Step 2. Mix wet ingredients into dry ingredients and bake the cake batter. Take a glass bowl and mix butter and sugar into it. Beat these ingredients till light and fluffy. Make sure that the sugar has dissolved. Lightly fold in the flour into the mixture. Pour the batter into the prepared tin and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Step 3. Tasty chocolate cake is ready. Check if the cake is baked properly by inserting a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, then the cake is done. Transfer the cake onto a wire rack and allow it to cool completely. Cover with your favorite toppings, then slice and serve. Tips: garnish the cake with whipped cream and dark chocolate chips for an enhanced look. You can also prepare a chocolate ganache for your cake if you have the time. Alternatively, top up your cake with canned cranberries or strawberries for a fusion of flavors. Or you can simply serve the cake with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Thanks for watching.